polynomials right side, problem set 3, question number 9, question number 10, and question number 11. Question number 9 is of synthetic division, 10 is of factor theorem, and 11 is a bit tricky question, which is easy. I'll make it easy for you. I'll try to make it easy as simple as possible. So for the 9th question, divide polynomial 3x cubed minus 8x squared plus x plus 7 by x minus 3 using synthetic method of division and write the remainder and quotient. You have polynomial, I guess 3x cubed minus 8x squared plus x plus 7, which will be divided by x minus 3. Using synthetic method and write the quotient and remainder. First, you will write opposite of minus 3 is plus 3. Therefore, आप table बनाओगे फिर you will write plus 3 here. You will have quotients 3, minus 8, 1 and 7. First box will be empty, which will be nothing to आपका answer. फिर से 0. 3 3s are 9, which will be here. 9 minus 8, 1. 3 1s are 3, which will be here. 1 plus 3 is 4. 3 4s are 12. 12 plus 7 gives you 19. So the remainder will be 19. Quotient is of 3, 1, 4. Therefore, quotient is equal to, again you have 3 terms, so highest power क्या होगा 2. The polynomial is in the form of x, so you have x 3x minus x plus 4 and remainder is equal to 19. Okay, we could look at this one and then we'll move to the 10th question. Problem set 3, question number 10. For which value of m, x plus 3 is the factor of the polynomial x cubed minus 2mx plus 21. Let me just simplify it for you. आपको polynomial लिया, let p of x is equal to x cubed minus 2mx plus 21. आपको find out करना है m की value. If x plus 3 is factor of p of x. Just explain it in Hindi. p of x is equal to x cube minus 2mx plus 21. ये आपको polynomial दिया हुआ है. आपको find out करना है m की value क्या होगी अगर x plus 3 इसका factor होगा. By factor theorem अगर x plus 3 इसका factor होगा तो प्लस 3 का उल्टा क्या है माइनस 3. मतलब p ऑफ माइनस 3 क्या इक्वल टू होगा 0. if x plus 3 is factor of p of x, then by factor theorem p of minus 3 should be equal to 0, a strict equality. Then p of minus 3 will be what? Minus 3 the whole cube minus 2m into minus 3 plus 21 is equal to 0. Minus 3 का cube is minus 3 into minus 3 plus 9. 9 into minus 3 minus 27. Minus into minus plus 6m plus 21 is equal to 0. Minus 27 plus 21, 6m minus 6 is equal to 0. Minus 6 goes here. 6m is equal to 6m is equal to 1. Therefore, for x plus 3 to be factor of p of x, m is equal to 1. Again, I'll just explain it to you. P of x is x cube minus 2mx plus 21. You have to find out that if x plus 3 is factor of p of x, then what should be the value of m. कि अगर x plus 3 को p of x का फैक्टर होना है तो m को क्या वैल्यू होनी चाहिए वो आपको बताना है. So you assume the reverse of it. If x plus 3 is factor of p of x, then by factor theorem x plus 3 का उल्टा is minus 3 or plus 3 is opposite is minus 3. Therefore p of minus 3 will be equal to how much? 0. You obtain the value of p of minus 3, which should be equal to 0. You equate the values and then you get m is equal to 1, which implies अगर m is equal to 1 रहेगा कोई भी equation में m is equal to 1 रहेगा उस polynomial में, तब जाके आपका x plus 3 उस polynomial का factor बनेगा. Take a good look at this one, then we'll move on to the 11th question. So the next sum you have is the 11th question. Big question. 11th question is at the end of the year 2016. At the end of the year 2016, the population of villages Coward, Warur and Chikhali. Pardon my pronunciation, guys. Coward, Warur and Chikhali is 5x square minus 3y square, then 7y square plus 2xy, and 9x square plus 4xy respectively at the end of 2016. At the beginning of the year 2017, start of 2017. At the beginning of the year 2017, x square plus xy minus y square, 5x and 3x square plus xy persons from each of the villages respectively went to another village for education. Okay. पहले इसमें से पहले विलेज से x square plus xy minus y square गए, दूसरे में से 5xy, तीसरे में से 3x square plus xy. At the end of 2016, this number of people were in the village. ये village का population था 2016 के end तक. 2017 के start में इतने population इसमें से गए, इतने population इसमें से गए, इतने population इसमें से गए दूसरे गांव या दूसरे village पढ़ने के लिए. तो आप simply इसमें से इन सब में से ये सबको minus कर दोगे तो आपको remaining population मिल जाएगा and आपको total population निकालना है बचे हुए का. तो आप जो remaining population मिलेगा plus this करोगे तो आपको indirectly तीनों village का total population आ जाएगा. Again to summarize the question, at the end of 2016 the respective villages had that number of population. At the start of 2017 the second line shows कि उतने लोग उतने polynomial जितने लोग उस village से निकल गए. तो आपको फाइंड आउट करना है तीनों विलेजेस का टोटल पॉपुलेशन कितना होगा जब उतने लोग निकल गए होंगे उसके बाद. सो फर्स्ट रिमेनिंग population of Howard is equals to 5x square minus 3y square minus x square प्लस एक्स वाई माइनस वाई स्क्वायर, क्योंकि इतने लोग गाँव से निकल चुके हैं तो उनका नाम हटाना है। 5x² माइनस 3y² माइनस इंटू प्लस माइनस माइनस इंटू प्लस माइनस माइनस इंटू माइनस प्लस, which gives you 5x² minus x² 4x² minus 3y² plus y² minus 2y² और xy वाला कोई भी टर्म नहीं है तो माइनस xy। अगेन remaining population of second गाँव है आपका वारुड़ is equal to 7y² plus 2xy minus 5xy, which gives you 7y² plus minus 3xy. Next you have remaining population of Chikhali is equal to 9x² plus 4xy minus of 3x² plus xy. You get 9x² plus 4xy minus of 3x² minus of xy. 9x² minus 3x² 6x² plus 4xy minus xy plus 3xy. आपको रिमेनिंग पॉपुलेशन आ गया। अब आपको रिमेनिंग पॉपुलेशन ऑफ टोटल 3 विलेजेस निकालना है। आप लिखोगे देयरफॉर टोटल रिमेनिंग पॉपुलेशन is equal to first village 4x² minus 2y² minus xy plus second village 7y² minus 3x² and third village 6x² plus 3xy. You take the square terms 4x² plus 6x². You take the y² terms minus 2y² plus 7y². You take the xy terms minus xy minus 3xy plus 3xy xy minus 3xy plus 3xy cancelled. 4x² plus 6x² 10x². 7 minus 2 plus 5y² and minus xy is your remaining population. Again, just to summarize the sum, कोवाड़ में 5x² minus 3x², वारुड़ में 7y² plus 2xy एंड चिकाली में 9x² plus 4xy। ये आपके एंड ऑफ 2016 का पॉपुलेशन था। स्टार्ट ऑफ 2017 में 2017 के स्टार्ट में x² plus xy minus y² कोवाड़ से माइनस हुए, 5xy वारुड़ से माइनस हुए और 3x² plus xy चिकाली से माइनस हुए। इन शॉर्ट they left the village for education and moved to another village. So remaining population will be आपकी जो 2016 में population थी minus 2017 में जितनी population निकल गई वो that is your remaining population. Remaining population निकल गई तो आपको बचाव population मिल गया, आपने तीनों को ऐड किया, ऐड करने पर जो आंसर आया that is your total population of all those 3 villages. I tried to make the lecture a bit small but हो नहीं पाया क्योंकि आपको डिटेल में या आपको दोनों लैंग्वेजेस में एक्सप्लेनेशन देते देते टाइम निकल गया. So in the next part we will be learning about the 12th, 13th, 14th and 15th question of problem set 3. Those questions are easy, बहुत जल्दी हो जाएंगे. Till then take care, stay home, stay safe.